After calling him a pathological liar and serial fraudster, an Alberta judge deemed a romance scammer a dangerous offender. 55-year-old Jeffrey Paul Kent has more than a dozen charges of fraud that span over 35 years in both BC and Alberta. But the decision to deem him a dangerous offender comes from his romance scams. Justice Melanie Hayes-Richard told the court Friday that Kent destroyed the lives and finances of his victims and left them with severe psychological harm. Kent met 5 of his victims through an online dating website. He would create false personas to date the women. He would tell them he had a variety of different jobs and sometimes that he had brain cancer or seizure disorders. Then he would ask them for money. The court heard that most times he would spend the money gambling at the casino or on horse races. He defrauded the women of more than $170,000. Justice Hayes-Richard said in her decision that using lie upon lie, he inserted himself into victims' lives, promising a bright and secure future. Instead, he wreaked havoc. In deeming him a dangerous offender, the justice said nothing has succeeded in getting Kent to change his behavior and that she has no doubts he would go back to romance scams. She said there is no alternative to adequately protect the public besides an indeterminate sentence. Criminal justice professor Doug King says this is a significant decision.
Dangerous offender designation in Canada is really quite rare. There's only about 25 individuals who are convicted of a criminal offense who then get to the dangerous offender designation hearing.
Kent has been in custody since September 24, 2018, and he will have his first parole hearing this September. The justice also ordered Kent to make restitution to the women he defrauded. Jasmine King, Global News.